Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, lower that one. Let's go! Clap your hands! Make it louder, make it louder! Everybody clap your hands!
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Oh, cute! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday ni Sir David! Happy birthday!
Yung cake ko po, oh. Ang ano na, oh. Ayusin nyo. Ang mahal-mahal na binili mo sa akin po, oh. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Ang wish ko lang po ay sana mas maging masaya pa tayo araw-araw at matulog tayo na walang bigat ng loob. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Ay! Nawala yung cake!
Thank you po.
Pwede po ba mag-take two tayo sa candle blowing?
Mamuan. Ano
Gusto
mo,
ko
ma'am?
lang
Loses, eh.
makuha yung reaction and yung photo opportunity lang po dito. Sige. Try lang natin.
Sir, baka quiz yan.
Baka po biglang umano yan. Ito na, sir, ito na. We are prepared, ladies and gentlemen. Special, second edition po ng candle blowing ni Sir Gavin. Sir, close your eyes. Make the biggest wish. And get ready to blow in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday to you. Clap your hands, everybody!
Happy birthday!
Hello, mali si Kuya.
Freeze! Everybody freeze! Stop the music. Ladies and gentlemen, habang nakatayo po tayong lahat, gagawa po tayo ng largest picture taking. Kapinpin Brothers, pwede po ba tayong pumaba po dito? Sama-sama po ang family. Oh, guys. Teka lang guys ha. Stay where you are guys.